Will my personal assets be affected if my business files for bankruptcy? And in some cases, that answer is yes. It really depends on what your business is going to do and how it's going to restructure or address its debts in bankruptcy. If your business files a Chapter 7, liquidates, closes down, and ceases to exist, any remaining balance on your debts to creditors is most likely going to come onto your personal side and may affect your personal assets. This is because a lot of your business debts, such as maybe a mortgage on property or an SBA loan or some types of credit card debts, usually require a personal guarantee. And so when the business stops operating, the business is no longer responsible for the debts, but you personally and individually could be responsible for the balance of those debts. So it's important to sit down with an attorney who's knowledgeable about business bankruptcies and personal guarantees to make sure you understand how and if your personal assets will be affected if your business files bankruptcy.